planning a New Year's Eve party. Okay, so we've got about 2 weeks to plan this party. Where should we start?
Let's start with the theme. Any ideas?
I was thinking something classic, like black and gold, but maybe we could try something fun like glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark sounds amazing. Imagine everyone in neon outfits and glow sticks everywhere.
I like it. We'll need some black lights for that.
And decorations. Neon balloons, glow in the dark paint for signs, and maybe some LED fairy lights for ambiance.
Perfect. What about food?
Finger foods are the way to go. Easy to grab and no mess. Mini sliders, spring rolls, and a nacho station sound good.
Ooh, and maybe a dessert bar? Cupcakes with glow-in-the-dark frosting or cookies with edible glitter?
Fancy. I'll make my spinach dip. It's always a hit.
And drinks? Should we go with a punch or a DIY cocktail bar?
DIY cocktail bar for sure. We can set out mixers, fruits, and recipes for people to follow.
Great idea. But let's also have non-alcoholic options. Maybe a sparkling cranberry punch and some flavored sodas.
Good call. What about activities? We need to keep people entertained.
Jamie, trivia is always fun. We can make it New Year themed with questions about 2024 or predictions for 2025.
And karaoke. We could set up a little stage area with a mic and speaker.
Done. I'll make sure Don't Stop Believin' is in the playlist. It's a must.
What about the countdown? Should we do something special?
Definitely. Let's have confetti poppers and those noisemakers ready for everyone.
And maybe a photo booth with props? People love taking pictures at parties.
Yes, we can set up a corner with a backdrop and some New Year's props, hats, glasses, and signs.
Decorations are key. Let's go with gold, silver, blue, and purple to match the glow theme.
Agreed. I'll order some LED candles and sparkly table runners.
Oh, and don't forget music. We need a killer playlist.
Already on it. I'll mix in some throwback hits, dance tracks, and a few slower songs for the end of the night.
One last thing, invites. Should we do digital or old school paper ones?
Digital is easier, but paper ones could be cool for a more personal touch. Maybe both?
Good idea. Alright, I think we've got ourselves an epic party plan.
Absolutely. Let's make this the best New Year's Eve ever. Celebrating New Year's Eve. Alex, can you help me hang this banner? It keeps slipping down.
Sure thing. Taping it securely. There you go. Happy New Year in all its glittery glory.
Thanks. It's looking festive in here. I just hope we don't run out of snacks.
Not a chance. I saw your kitchen. It's like a mini grocery store in there. Chips, dips, cupcakes. You're all set.
You can never have too much food at a New Year's party. Speaking of which, what time is everyone arriving?
Around 8, I think. That gives us time to finish decorating and maybe squeeze in a quick game.
Good idea. Oh, did you bring your party hat?
Of course. It's silver with those sparkly streamers. What about you?
Mine lights up. Wait till you see it, it's so extra.
Perfect. By the way, have you thought about your New Year's resolutions yet?
Kind of. I want to be more consistent with working out, maybe try yoga. What about you?
I want to focus on learning something new. Maybe take a cooking class or pick up Spanish.
Those sound awesome. You could be whipping up tapas by next year.
That's the dream. Oh, speaking of dreams, what was the highlight of your year?
Tough question. I'd say my trip to the mountains last summer. The views were incredible, and I finally went hiking without getting lost. What about you?
Definitely landing my new job. It's been a roller coaster, but I'm so glad I made the leap.
That's huge. We should toast to that later.
Speaking of toasts, do you have champagne ready?
Of course. And sparkling cider for anyone not drinking. I also got those confetti poppers for midnight.
Oh, those are fun. Just don't aim them at anyone's face this year.
Lesson learned.
Hey, do you remember last New Year's? We were trying to watch the fireworks and it started raining.
Oh, how could I forget? We ended up soaked, eating soggy pizza under that tiny umbrella.
Best pizza ever, though.
True. This year, we've got a better plan, cozy indoors with great company.
Exactly. Oh, by the way, what's the music situation?
I made a playlist. It's got a mix of dance hits and classic New Year's songs.
Nice. We definitely need Auld Lang Syne at midnight. It's a tradition.
Already on there. And I added a few surprises. Wait till you hear them.
Can't wait. Oh, someone just texted. They're bringing party poppers.
Awesome. The more, the merrier. Oh, could you help me set up the photo booth area? I've got props like hats, glasses, and signs that say, New Year, New Me.
Love it. Everyone's going to want pictures. Did you get that sparkly backdrop too?
Yep, it's already hanging.
We are so ready for this party. Any predictions for the countdown?
Lots of cheering, a ton of hugs, and at least one person screaming, this is going to be my year.
Accurate. And maybe a few New Year's kisses?
We'll see.
Okay. Decorations look great, snacks are set, and music is ready. What's left?
Just enjoying the night, and making sure no one falls asleep before midnight.
Not a chance. It's New Year's Eve. We're ringing in the new year in style.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.